Hello. In this video, you will learn how to change the sender address in Mail Merge emails. Out of the box, Microsoft Word sends emails using a default Outlook account and doesn't offer the option to switch between different email accounts. This often leads to the embarrassing but still common error of sending sensitive information from the wrong email address. But Mail Merge Toolkit comes to the rescue, offering full control over the From field. In the same way that you manage regular Outlook messages, you will be able to choose the Outlook profile, change the sender to one of the configured email accounts, specify a shared mailbox, send emails as someone else if you were delegated permissions such as send as or send on behalf of another email exchange mailbox. Okay, here I've got a simple message template opened in Word. As a data source, we will use a basic Excel spreadsheet with the recipient data. This allows you to personalize emails using merge fields. Let's add the personal greeting. Now, instead of the default finish and merge, we use a different button added to the ribbon, Merge and Send. Here, we see all the new settings added by Mail Merge Toolkit. First, we check that the correct recipient email is used in the To field. Now, add the personalized subject line, special offer for recipient full name. Great. Now let's open Sending Settings. Here you will find options to use the default Outlook email account or to enable an Outlook profile and account selection before sending messages. Let's choose this option. Now, click the Send Messages button. At this step, you can specify the sender to be used. Let me guide you through several possible scenarios. First, here you can change the Outlook profile and choose an email account configured under the selected profile. But in some cases, delegated mailboxes might not be available in that list. This applies to mailboxes only with send as on behalf of permissions and full access mailboxes with the auto mapping feature enabled. In such cases, you must enter it manually for the first run, and later it will be available as a shortcut, the same way that it works in Outlook. Note that this feature is for Exchange mailboxes, and you may check with your IT department about those settings in your organization. So, personalized bulk email messages are ready to go. Click OK. Right now, Mail Merge Toolkit is composing and placing emails in the Outbox folder of the selected Outlook account. Let's open Outlook. We can see that each email was personalized and sent using the selected email. If you would like to learn more about our product and its awesome features, please check our other videos or download a 30-day trial. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.